212. Okay, anybody can read for me? Anybody can read for me the word bank at page 212. Word bank here. Anybody can read? This is a word bank. Page 211. Anybody can read for me? Kiran Kumar, can you read for me the word bank on your textbook, page 212?
That full color again, teacher.
Textbook, page 212. Word bank.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Ungrounded data
Yes.
that interquartile range outlier, stem and left plot, box plot, dot plot, standard deviation, measure of dispersion, variations.
Variance. Okay. Thank you, Kiran Kumar. Okay, look at here. Okay, this is a word that we have going to use for this chapter. The first thing is ungrouped data. Then interquartile range. Then range outlier. Stem and leaf left plot. Box plot. Dot plot. Standard deviations. Measure of dispersions. And the last one is variance. Okay, those who just enters, you have to open the textbook, page 212. Okay, we start our class now. Okay, before this, we already learned about the statistic. This is a measure of dispersions, for ungrouped data. This is one of the statistic. You already learned at the statistic. You already learned Form 1. Okay, you already learned Form 1. Okay, Form 1. That is, you have to know about mean, mode, and median. Do you? You still remember Form 1? You already know. You already learned about the statistic Form 1. Statistic. How to find mean, how to find mode, and how to find the median. At Form 2, you also learn about how to draw a, what is this? What we call it? Histogram. Histogram. Then how to draw the line graph. This is a line graph. And how to draw a pie chart. Pie chart. Do you still remember? How to draw a pie chart. Okay, this is a pie chart. Okay, this is pie chart. Okay, pie chart. This is what you learn at Form 1 and Form 2. Okay, today we have to continue what you already learned. This is Form 4. So about 3 or 2 years ago, you already learned about this. And then today we have to going to use what is going to use to find mean. We have to use to find mean, mode, and median. Okay. Okay, class. So this is a word that we are going to use. And the first thing is dispersions. What is dispersions? What is dispersion? Okay, dispersions is, what is the meaning of dispersion? Measure of dispersions are important measurements in statistics. The measure of dispersions give us an idea how the value of the set of data are scaled. Dispersion is small if the data set has a small range and vice versa. Measures of dispersions of a set of data are quantitative measures such as range, interquartile range, variance, and standard deviations. Okay, this is what we're going to learn today, how to explain the meaning of the dispersions. Okay, look at here. Okay, the example 1. Look at example 1. Example 1. Okay, example 1. Okay, this is example 1. Okay, the table shows the masses in kilogram of 20 people. Okay, state the difference in the mass in kilogram. Okay, look at the example 1. The difference of in mass. The difference. The difference means the maximum value. The maximum value multiplied by the minimum value. Okay, for 20 people. Okay, which people have a very heavy? Which people? Which people? What is the mass of the people? Very heavy. The bigger one. The smaller, the maximum value. Which one? 70? Which one the maximum? Which one the maximum? Look at here, 52. This is for student number 1, student number 2, 48, student number 3, 60. This is kilogram lah. Okay, so which one the maximum? Which one, which is very heavy? Which one? The heaviest
79.
one? 79. So this is the maximum value, 79. Thank you. Okay, and where is the where is the smallest value? Which one?
47.
47. Okay. 47 here, 48. Any number? No. Okay, so 47. 47. So you have to minus the different. That means this is a range. A range. The different is a range. So the different in this example, the maximum value minus the minimum value. So what is it? The difference is 32 kilogram. Okay, can you understand? This is a difference in mass. This is a range. Okay. This is for ungrouped data. This is for ungrouped data. The data is not put inside the table, so we call it as a ungrouped data. That means the first people's heavy is 52. Then the second one is 48. Then 60, 50, and so on. This we call it as a ungrouped data. Okay, do you want to copy in your exercise book? Do you want to copy this? Okay, this is the question, and this is the answer. Okay, I give you a time. You can copy this. You can copy this. The title is dispersions. Okay, dispersion. This is okay for chapter 8.0. Okay, you can copy this. I give you a time. You can copy the measure of ungrouped data. Okay. Okay, you can copy this. This is a chapter today. Okay, I'll give you some time. Okay, let me know after you finish copy. You just copy what teacher write down here, okay? This one only. This is example 1. This one you also can copy afterward. The example you can copy afterward in your textbook. Okay? Let me know after you finish copying.
Oh, teacher.
Yes.
We want to find the bigger number and smaller number.
Yes, how to find the bigger number and the smaller number. Okay, you just looking at the ungrouped data here. Just looking where is the biggest number from this all the data. Where is the biggest one? So the biggest one is 79. So the maximum value is 79. And where is the smallest number? You have to identify which one the smallest number. So the smallest number is 47. So minus by 47. That's why the range become 32. Okay, is it clear? Okay, have you finished?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, finish.
Tired of annoying sales and spam calls from unknown numbers? You're not alone. With a true
Okay, finish. Okay. Can I continue? Finish. Okay, finish. Okay, look at B. Okay, look at B. That is we call it as a dot plot. Okay, dot plot. Okay, B, the diagram. Okay, look at the question for B. Question for B. The diagram below shows a dot plot of the length in cm. Of the length in cm of a sample as several type of insect. Okay, the length of cm. They say they put a mosquito. They put the mosquito there, and then they measure how long the mosquito. What is the length of the mosquito? Okay, so state the difference. State in the difference in size, the longest insect and the shortest insect. This one also same. So we have to find the range. We have to find the range. Okay, the range. The range means the maximum value. We have to minus by the minimum value. What is the shortest? The shortest insect. What is it? It should be here. This is 3, isn't it? This is 3, and this one should be 3.1 cm. So this is a minimum value, 3.1 cm. This is the smallest insect. And what is the biggest insect? Which one? Where is it? It should be here, isn't it? It should be here. There is three insects. 3 insects have the same length. It should be here. And then what is this? So you can read below the. You can read below the graph. So it should be 6.8. 6.8. One box is 1. So there is 8 box from 6 to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So it should be 6.8. So the range is the maximum value. The biggest, the longest insect. There is a 6.8 minus 3.1. So that is the range. So what is the answer? For the insect is, the range is 3.7 cm. Okay, this is example for dot plot. This plot we call it as a dot plot. Okay, do you want to copy this? Okay, I give you 5 minutes. 2 minutes lah, 2 minutes to copy this. Just copy what is the
Saya tak
range.
faham lah ini.
Which one you tak faham? Ini adalah range, maknanya beza antara dalam dot plot ni. Beza antara serangga yang paling panjang. Yang paling panjang serangga is 6.8. Ditolak dengan yang paling kecil, yang paling pendek.
Kenapa
3.
sih?
This one you have to look at here. Okay, look at the graph here. Look at the graph here. Okay, this is the, okay. The first one is, okay, here. How many? Berapa ekor kat sini? This is, okay, look at here, the kotak, the box is 1. So this should be 3.1. That means there is one insect. The length is 3.1. Okay, how about this? This one should be 3.9. 3.9, there is one insect also, 3.9. And then this one should be 4.1. How many? 2 insect, 4.1.
Huh?
Can you understand or not? Can you understand or not?
Cannot.
So this one you should be read the box in the graph. So 4, satu kotak ni 1. So from 3 to 4 there is 10 box. So one box is 1. This one it should be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and this one should be 4 minus 1. So 3.9 here. Can you understand? The other one is 4.1. There is one box from 4. This one should be 4.6. This one should be 4.6. How many insects? 1 only. And then there is 4.8 here. 4.8 here. There is 2 insects. 2 insects. The length is 4.8. This is 5. How many insects? 1 only. Can you understand? How about this? This is 5.6. How many insects? 2.
Itu
It should
0
be
mana?
0.
Itu 6.8 itu egg mana?
6.8. 8 mana?
Ya.
This is satu kotak ni 1. Inilah. There is 3 ekor. Ada 3 insect. There is 3 insects. The length of the 3 insects is 6.7. 6.8. Kat sini lah. Ada 2 kotak before 7, isn't it? So 1 kotak is 1. So there is 2 kotak before 7 is 6.8. Can you understand?
Huh?
Can you understand?
No.
This is 6.8. So you count here. Daripada 6 ke 7, how many box? There is 10 box. So this is 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 6.8 here. Ada 8 kotak. So ada 3 ekor. There is 3 insect. 3 insect, the length is 6.8 cm. So this is a maximum lah. This is maximum length. And this insect is 3.1. This is minimum length. So the range should be the maximum range, the maximum length minus by the minimum length. So we get 6.8 minus by 3.1. That is 3.7. Can you understand? After this we have to create our own dot plot. Okay, we have to create our own dot plot. Okay, can you follow me? Yes.
Saya tak boleh faham hal ini.
Tak apa, nanti kita tengok contoh, nanti kita buat and then kita cuba faham ya. Okay, Leong Leong, okay. After this, we look at an example. Okay, do you have a copy? Have you finished copy for this example dot plot? Finish, Okay, now we look at the example. Okay, look at here. Look at here. Leong, I give you one more example for this. I give you one more example for this dot plot. Okay. Look at your textbook, page This is number 3, page 214. Number 3. Okay, this is a, okay, I make a bigger. Okay, look at here. This is a graph. This is plot, the dot plot for the length of the leaf. Okay, panjang daun. Okay, leaf. Okay, the length of the leaf. Okay, panjang daun. This is a dot plot of the length in cm of the leaf. Okay, what is the difference in length between the longest and the shortest? The longest and the shortest. Okay, look at here. Where is the minimum? What is okay? What is the value here?
15.
How 14? 14 point. This is 1. Okay, one box is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 box from 14 to 15. So one box is 1. So what is this? What is the value for the first leaf? What is this? What is the length for the first leaf? This is, okay, Leon. What is this? 14.1.
3 ah?
No,
Huh?
this is 14.1. 14.1, the length. This is 14. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 14.1. Okay, how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 14.4. You just count the box, okay? There is one leaf is 14.4. One leaf is 14.1. There is two leaves. What is the length of two leaves? 1, this is 4, 5, 6. This is 14.6. Can you read this? You have to read the box. You have to read the box. Okay. So how about this? 14 point what? How many box?
Mana?
This one. This one. There is 3 leaf here. So this is
14.8.
okay, very good. This is 14.8. Okay, how about this one? There is 2 leaf here. What is it? How about this one?
14.5.
14.3.
50.
There is 3 box, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. 3 box. Okay, how about this? 14 point?
Mana?
This one. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? 14.6. And the next. There is 3 leaf here. 14.7. Paham? Okay, how about this? This is not 14, sorry. 15, 15. 15, not 14. This one also all is for 15, okay? 15, okay, look at the, okay, this is 15.3. This is 15.6. This is 15.7. This one should be 16.1. And what is the longest one? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 16.4. Okay, so different. Okay, different is equal to what? Okay, so difference is equal to the maximum value minus by the minimum value. That is the longest minus by the shortest. The longest one is 16.4. And the shortest one is here, 14.1. So you have to minus this both. You can minus 3, then 2, 2.3. So the range is 2.3. What is the unit? What is the unit? Is cm. 2.3 cm.
6.8.
Yeah.
Mana saya tengok?
Apa dia?
Atas.
Okay, atas sini. 6.8 sini. Kenapa? Tak nampak? Okay. Okay. Can you, okay, boleh nampak tak? Tak nampak, cikgu besarkan sikit. Okay, nampak tak? Nampak tak? Cikgu besarkan sikit. Okay, can you see this? Baru nampak. So this is 6. And then how many box here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8 box. Can you see this? Boleh? Baru nampak ya. Okay. So I have to share this your group. Okay. Okay. Mana? Saya dah tak boleh nak hilangkan dah saya punya itu. Dah tak boleh hilang dah. Okay. Okay. So this is tempat raya. Okay. Nanti you salin ya. Okay. So next. Seterusnya. Okay, kita tengok this is for example poly. Okay, do you want to copy this? Okay, I give you some time. You boleh salin ya. Okay, boleh salin ni. For example this one. Okay, salin ni dulu. Just you just copy my answer. Copy my answer. The graph here you can copy later. Okay? This is for number 3. This is for number 3. Self practice 8.1a. Okay? This is for number 3. Okay, the question you copy later. Okay? Just copy my answer. Yeah. 8.18. Okay. Have you finished?
Boleh sudah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now we look at the second next chapter next.
Tunggu.
Learning objective, yes? Yeah, Leong. Belum?
Sudah, saya tengok.
Okay.
Kenapa 70 tak ada?
7? Where is it?
17.
Huh?
Nah itu.
Which one?
17.
17. Oh, 17. Kenapa 70 tak ada? 17 the maximum value lah. So there is no insect no insect that's the length is 17 and above. The maximum is yang paling panjang sekali serangga tu adalah 16.4 yang ini. Okay? That's why 17 tak ada. Okay? Okay. Can I continue?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so how do you compare and interpret dispersions of two or more set of data based on stem and leaf plot? Okay, stem and leaf. This is stem and leaf plot. Yang ini adalah stem and leaf plot. And this is dot plot and stem and leaf plot. Okay, look at here. Okay, this is stem and leaf. How? Macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, tengok sini ya. Okay, stem and leaf. Okay, macam mana kita nak buat? Awak tengok sini. Okay, tengok sini dekat jadual ni. The tables. The diagram below shows the mark. Okay, markah untuk 36 people in the accounting test. This is the mark for 36 people. Okay, so we start with 27. 27, 29. Okay, so we have to do some table, okay? We have to do some table. There is 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is a table. Sorry. Okay, this is a table for stem and leaf. Okay, look at here. Mula-mula kan kita kena buat jadual lah. Okay, boleh nampak tak jadual ni? Okay, cikgu besarkan sikit jadual ni bagi awak nampak Okay, look at here. The first row, okay, yang pertama ni kita tulis the stem. Okay, yang pertama ni kita tulis stem kat sini. Okay, I give some other colours. Okay, warna hitam. Okay, warna merah. Okay, ini adalah column untuk stem. You can copy sama I tulis ni you can copy. Sama-sama kita salin sama-sama. Stem. Then this is for leaf. Okay, look at here. The marks is start with 2. The mark is start from 27. So for the stem, you just write down 2 here. There is how many start from 20? There is 2. So first is 27. And the second one is 29. So 2 already have here. So you just write down 7 and 9 on the column of the leaf. Okay, can you understand? Okay, that is for 2. Then, okay, look at for the second, for 3. So how many 3 here? How many 3? Start from 3 until here. Okay, until here. There is 3, isn't it? So we write down 3 here. So how many 3? There is 1, 31, 32, 34. Okay, look at here. 31, 32, 34, then 35. 35. How many 35? There is 2 35. So you write down twice. And then 36. Just write down 6. Then 7. How many 7? 2 7. 7 and 7. And then how many 8? 2 8. And then how many 9? There is 1 9. Okay, finish. Can you understand? Can you understand or not? So far, can you understand? Can you follow me? Can or not? Can you understand and can you follow me? Then 4. Okay, then we write down 4. So 4 start from 40. It should be from here to here, isn't it? This is 4. So how many 4? 40. There is 2 40. So we just write down twice 0. Okay, then 1. 1 time 41. Yes.
2, 2, 2, 2.
Okay, then 2, 2, 2, 2. How many 2? 4, 2. So, oh sorry. So we write down 2 here. We write down
6.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. Then 3.
3, 4, 4, 5, 6.
4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. And then 5. 5. Then 6.
7,
Okay,
7,
then
8, 9, 9.
Okay, so my table is okay. 6 then 6 already write down. So how many 7? 7 7. 3 times 7. 7 7 7. Then 8 and how many 9? 2 9. 9 and 9. Don't put the comma or don't put the dot between the number. Just write down like this. Okay?
2,
Then
4.
Okay, then for 50. Okay, then for 50, okay. How many start from 50? Okay, so we start 5 here. Then how many 2? 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2. Okay, then 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, this we call it as a stem and leaf plot. Okay, you can write down. Okay, you can write down the example here. I give you some time. You can write down the example. Okay, let me know after you finish. Okay, after have you finished?
Not yet, teacher.
Not yet. Okay, 1 more minutes. 1 minute more. Finish. Okay, then there is a note here. Leaf digit. Leaf digits are arranged from the smallest value to the largest value. Okay, you can add some note here. So you have to start with the smallest value to the largest value. If the data is not arranged properly, so you have to pick the number from the smallest to the largest. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay, so how we create the dot plot. Next is a dot plot. So what is a dot plot? Okay, this is we call it as a dot plot. So we have to use use the graph paper. Okay, we have to use the graph paper to okay. This cannot paste. This cannot paste. Okay, cannot paste the graph paper. Okay, so we just do like this. Look at here. What do you understand about the dot plot? Okay, so this is a dot plot. This is a value for 20 people in the biology quiz. There is two people got 0 marks. So we start from 0. Look at here. Where is this minimum value? Minimum value is 0. And what is the maximum value? It's 8. Maximum value is 8. So we have to make sure that 0 and 8 0 and 8 have inside our graph. Okay, get here. Okay, let's say we have a graph paper here. Yes. Okay, look at here. Let's say we start with 0. We have to start with 0 until 8. Okay, so first we have to draw the line first. Okay, we have to draw a straight line first. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, I make a bigger. It's very small. But this, okay. Okay, here. Let's say we have from 0 to 8. So we have to plot here 0, 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, you can use your book. You have a maths book. Your maths book have a kotak, isn't it? Have a box like this. Okay, so we start with from 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 7 and 8. Okay, look at the first value. The first value is 0. How many 0? There is 2. So 0, 0 here. There is 2. So you can just have a space here. So we plot the dot here. How many dot? 2. 2 dot. 2 dot. Okay, because the frequency is 2. Okay, can you understand? There is 2 dot. This is not the dot. Okay, this is not the dot. Okay, this is not the dot. This is a This is a line. Okay, you can copy. You can copy this on your book. Okay, we do together. Okay, straight line here. Okay, then after 2, how many 0? How many 0? There is 2 0. After that 1. How many 1? There is 1 only. So 1 we just mark here. We just mark here. Okay, sorry I forget to tell you. Okay, this one. Okay, if you have the first one, space is 2, isn't it? There is 2 box here. So this one also you have space 2. This is a uniform scale. Your space is 2 also. And the other one, 1 is 1 only. And then 2, how many 2? 1, 2. There is 2 for 2. Okay, so 1, 2. You have to plot here. Then 3. How many 3? Okay, 1, 2, 3. There is 3 people have 3 marks. Okay. Okay, then how many 4? 4, 1, 2. There is 2 4 marks. 1 and 2. And then how many 5? 1, 2. Okay, there is 2 people have 5 marks. Then how many people have 6 marks? 1, 2. Okay, 2 also. So for 6 marks, there is 2 people. Okay, then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 4 people have a 7 marks. Then how many marks for the last one? 8. There is 2 8. 2 8. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this is, we call it as a leaf and stem and leaf block. Okay, like this. Okay, so this we call score. This is score. Okay, you can copy this. You can copy this. Okay, Copy together with teacher, okay? This is dot plot. This is dot plot. The score of a 20, the score of the 20 peoples. Score of 20 peoples in biology quizzes. Quiz, okay? Okay. Okay. Have you finished?
Not yet, teacher.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, have you finished?
Yeah, finish, teacher.
Okay. So we continue. We continue to do some. Okay, look at here. Okay. How do you compare? How do you compare and you interpret the data? Okay. How do you compare and interpret? How do you compare and interpret the dispersions of two sets of data based on the stem and leaf? Okay, look at here. Let's say we have two data. First is marked for April, and second is a mark for May. So how we want to put inside the stem and leaf plot for the two data. How? Okay, look at the example here. Stem and leaf plot for two data. Okay, for two data. Okay, look at here. This is marked for April, and this is marked for May. So we have to do the first digit. We have to write down in the middle. Okay, so we have to write down in the middle. Let's say this is a okay. The first digit we have to leave in the middles. We have to write down in the middles. Then, okay, we have to do, okay, this is for the first digit. The first digit, okay? For the first digit. Okay. And this is for April. Marks for, okay, mark for April. Okay, monthly test. Okay, this is mark of May. Monthly test. Okay, this is the first digit. Okay, look at here. The minimum marks is start with 30, isn't it? 30. There's 32, 35, 35, and so on. This is 34, 38, and so on. So you write down 3 here. The first mark is start with 3. So for April, look at April. there is 32 and 35. So you have to write down 2 here. 32 and then 35. Write down the smallest one to the biggest one. So we start from the left. Okay, 35. Then is it more? 30, 39, 35. How many 35? There is 2, 5, and then 39. 9 here. This is for the first 3. Start with 32, 35, 35, and 39. And the second one, for May. Look at for May. How many start with 30? There is 2. So we start with 4. And the other one is 8. Okay, you can write down along with me. You can write down on your notebook. Okay, then we start with 3. Then we start with 4. We start with 4. Okay, this is all about, this is all the marks we start from 4. This one also. This is all the mark we start from 40. Okay, so we start with 4. The first one is for April, 1. Okay, 41. And then 41 also. You can cancel after you finish, after you write down. So you can, you never to select again. So 42, 43. How many 43? There is 2 43. Then 44. Okay, then 44 again. Then, there is a lot of 4 here. So the value should be again. So you have to write down again. Okay, how many 4 here? There is 44. 1, 2, so 6, 8, 8, 9. So you can write down here. 6, 8, 8, 9. Okay, have you finished? So after you finish, you can cancel. You can cancel it. And then for May test, there is how many 40? 240. So 4 already write down here. So we just write down 0, and then 0 again. Then 43, 3 only. 46, how many 6? There is 2 6, and then 49. Okay, is it clear? And then 5. We start with 50. Okay, how many 5? Okay, all here is start with 5. So 51, 53, 54, 51, 53, 54, then 54 again, then 56, then 8, 8, how many 8? There is 3 8. Okay. Then, how about this from May? For May, start with 52, 53, 55, okay? 52, 53, 53, how many 5? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 55, then 59. That is twice. Okay, can you understand? Okay, not finished yet. So we start with 6. 6. That is how many 6? 1, 0, 61, 60, 60, then 61. This one, a lot of 6 here. There is how many? 3, 5, 6, okay, and then 8, how many 8? Twice. And 9. Okay, then 7. We start with 7. How many 7? This one from April, there is no data shows start from 70. So just for May. So we start with 71, 73, 75, and 77. Okay, finish. So we already finished our stem and leaf plot. This is stem and leaf plot for 2 data. Okay, is it clear for you? Can you understand? Can you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, can you understand? Okay, very good. So we complete the table. The table is just like this. Okay. Okay, have you finished? Have you finished draw this line? This table?
So teacher.
Have you finished? Not yet. Okay, I'm still waiting. Just let me know after you finish copy. Finish?
Pergi atas situ tu.
Not yet.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, we continue. Okay, look at here. How do you compare and interpret? How do you compare and interpret two set of data using dot plot? Okay, just now we using stem and leaf plot. So this is for dot plot. So this is mathematics quiz and science for mathematics quiz and science. This is for score in science and score for mathematics. Okay. So for there is 20 people take part in the quiz. The diagram below shows the dot plot of the score obtained by the pupils. Okay, so can you interpret how? How we want to interpret? Okay, which set of data is wider? Wider dispersions? Which one? So the dispersions of science quiz is larger because the larger difference is the value in the value. Larger, the wider means what? Okay, look at here. This is from the minimum value. What is the minimum value? The minimum value is 8. The maximum value is 15. So for science quizzes, the range is 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. This is for science.
Cikgu, ini macam
Yes. Ini macam mana? Okay, for math apa dia?
tak sama punya.
Ini ada dua. This is there is a 2 score. Ini graph ada dua. Ini adalah untuk science quiz dan ini untuk mathematics quiz.
Macam mana punya?
Apa tu? Tak sama ya dengan buku you. Bukan surat 217.
Macam mana kira punya ini?
Okay. Page tu sama kan dengan example you dalam buku. Okay, look at here. We find for the range, for mathematics range. For mathematics, what is the maximum? 15 also. But the minimum is 9. So, the value for 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, sekarang ni mana satu yang lebih besar? Mana dia wider dispersion? Mana satu? So, untuk science dia ada lebih besar. Sebab science range dia ada 7. Untuk matematik range dia ada 6. Maknanya perbezaan antara markah paling tinggi dengan markah paling rendah. Can you understand or not? So, science ada. Ini untuk maths. Science ada 7. Maths ada 6. So, science adalah lebih besar. The larger difference. Okay, can you write down this? Can you write down this for this answer? Question A. For this answer, okay? Could you please write down this one? For example, for question A. Okay. Just write down and after this you can copy on your exercise book. This is example 2. This is the answer for example 2. Apa dia? Tak dengar?
Ini tengah itu tak sama punya. Itu 14.1 itu ah.
Ya, 14.1. Oh, tak sama. Ini markah ini markah tak ada point-point. Itu tadi panjang ada point-point.
So ini apa?
Ini markah quiz. Ini markah quiz untuk science.
Apa tengah punya?
Ini tak ada point punya. Ini markah untuk matematik. Ini 8 orang. Ini maknanya yang dapat 8 markah ada 1 orang.
Oh, itu
yang dapat 9
point tak payah tengok punya.
tak payah tengok. Mana ada
Oh.
orang satu, ada ke orang 8.5 punya orang, ada tak? Ada berapa
Ada.
bilangan orang? Tak ada. So ini genap. Ya, ini mana dia? Markah ada 8, ada 1 orang. Markah ada 9, ada 3 orang. Markah 10 ada 3 orang. Markah 11 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 orang. Markah 12 ada 4 orang. 13 marks 2. 14 marks 1. There is one people. Can you understand? Bilangan tak boleh point lah. Bilangan. Yang tadi tu kita kira panjang. That's why ada point. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so sekarang kita sambung tadi. Okay, this is for your exercise. Tadi cikgu belum bagi homework lagi kan? Okay, this one, number 1. Okay, number 1. And then which quiz has higher difference in the value? Mana satu quiz yang ada perbezaan yang tinggi? Yang beza tinggi adalah science lah. So science quiz, okay, look at the answer here. So science quiz is highest different. So science quiz how many? 7. This is the answer for number B. This is answer for B. And the last one, dia tanya between the score of science and mathematics quizzes, which people achieve better? Yang mana lebih baik? Markah mana lebih baik? So look at the maximum. Maximum value is 15. So ada 15 markah, ada 1 orang. Kat sini pun 15 markah, ada 1 orang untuk sains. Tapi markah paling rendah 9 untuk matematik. Kat sini markah paling rendah 8. So which one better? Which one better? So yang better adalah matematik quiz. Sebab apa? Sebab markah paling rendah dia 9. Kat sini markah paling rendah dia 8. Okay, is it clear for you? Can you understand? Okay. Apa? Boleh faham tak?
Okay.
So, ada 7 orang saja hari ni. Aduh, hai. Mana yang lain ni? Tak join kelas?
Tidur.
Mi tidur. Ming Yuang Hao. Line sangat slow. Okay. Tidur. Tadi ada kelas tak? Before this?
Ada.
Kelas apa?
Itu English.
Macam ni juga ke attendant? Ya, 7 orang saja masuk. Ini Amar ni, Riz Amar ni, ini daripada tingkatan 3. Saya punya kelas tadi, dia tak ada keluar lah. Ini kelas saya form 3 tadi, 3 Izora. Dia tak keluar-keluar. Saya rasa dia sudah tidur. Ini kelas tingkatan 4 tapi tingkatan 3 ada dalam ni. Dari tadi dia tak ada keluar. Masih ada dalam ni. Aduh, ya. Okay. Okay, so for your homework, can you do some homework for me? Can or not? Boleh tak? Must do some exercise lah, so you can boleh faham lah. Okay, so you can understand better lah kalau awak buat exercise. Okay, just now. Tadi saya sudah buatkan untuk you. Nombor practice 8.1 sudah ada answer kan? Number 3 tadi. Sudah ada answer kan? Number 3. Okay, this is as your homework lah. Your first homework. Homework number 3. Just now you already have the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer for number 3. You already done for this. Okay. So look at the more exercise. Okay, can you do together? Okay, look at page 218. Okay, number 1. Number 1. Okay, look at here. Draw. Okay, we do together. Okay, you can copy this first. Okay, I give you some time. Okay, buat sekarang. Exercise.
That will show the
data shows the masses in kilogram of 2 group of people. Okay, you can copy this first. or you can print it after this. And then how to draw a stem and leaf plot using this group. Okay, so sama macam tadi. So you have to do like this. Stem and leaf plot like this. Boleh buat macam ni tak? Stem and leaf plot for 2 data. So you try to do this please. Hello, siapa punya handphone sudah bunyi?
Saya.
Siapa call you? Banyak business banyak business sangat. Okay. Stem and leaf. So you do like this. Buat 2 sebab dia ada 2. Sebab dia ada 2 apa? Ada 2 data. So you buat 2 lah. Okay, you start from here. Buat macam ni together sama-sama buat. Then you complete the table. Okay. Okay. This is for message for group A. Message for group A. For group for group A. Together buat sama-sama. Nanti naik sekolah saya nak tengok awak punya apa ni? You punya nota lah. Saya nak tengok lah nota you mesti complete lah. Mesti complete. Message for group A. This one message for group B. Okay. Then we start here. Berapa yang paling ringan? Okay, so berapa yang paling ringan? So kat sini awak tengok. Dia tak susun. Dia susun tak? Okay, nasib baik dia susun Okay, so we start from 5. Mula dengan 8. Mula dengan 5, sorry. Mula dengan 5, 58. Oh, dia tak susun lah. Ada 4 ni. 47. Ada lagi tak? 46. So dia tak susun. Jadi awak kena make sure. Okay, you can write down like this. Okay, we start with yang paling rendah sekali 4. So we have write down 4 here. So awak tulis 4 sini. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So start dengan 4. So mula-mula sekarang 5, 8 kan? 5, 8 group A. So awak ambil 5, you letak 8 sini. So you potong sini. 5, 8. And then 60. 9. So 6 you start with here. 6, 0, 9. Can you understand or not? Buat group A dulu. And then 70. 0. 1 here. So you cancel here. And then 81, 86. So 8, 1 here. Okay, 1 here. But this one, 6 ni kita tak boleh tulis lagi sebab 82 ada apa semua kan. So awak kena, nanti awak kena susun balik, arrange balik Nanti you have to arrange from the smallest to the largest. Okay? Can or not? So awak tengok lah. You start here from 4, kat sini 0 lah. Start dengan 0. Kat sini 1. 8 tak boleh kat sini sebenarnya. 8 nanti awak akan jumpa 50. Awak ada 50 kat sini nanti. So you do one by one. Okay. Can or not?
Tak faham.
Yang ini awak kena buat satu-satu. Awak tak boleh tulis macam ni kan. Okay, sekarang ni awak kena tengok. Okay, look at here. Okay, the first row, okay, should be. Okay, tengok 5, 8 kan. 5, 8 ni besar tau, 8. 5, 8. You tengok kat sini ada tak yang 50 lebih yang paling kecil? Ada 54. So awak bulatkan dululah. Awak bulatkan dulu semua yang ada 5 ni awak bulatkan dulu. So which one yang ada 5 ni awak bulatkan dulu. Ada lagi tak 5? So yang start with 1. Mana 5, 3?
5, 4.
Okay. 5, 2 lagi. Ada lagi 5. 50. Lagi mana? 53 mana? Saya tak nampak.
54 apa?
54. Okey, sini 53. Ada lagi tak 5? Ada lagi tak 5? Ada kan?
Saya.
Oi, sudah mengantuk. Ada lagi tak 5? Ada kan? So awak tengok 52, 50, 56, 53, 54, 54, 58. So we start from the smallest first. So 50. So 50 sini. 50. So you cancel here 50. Dan 52 ada how many? There is 2, 52. So you start 2 sini. 2 juga. There is 2. And then lepas 52, 53. How many? 1. 3 sini. And then 54. How many? 4. 54. There is 2.
Oh, faham.
And 4. Okay, faham And then 56. Sini 6. Then 58. The last one. This is for 5 lah. And then you do all for all number. Boleh buat semua lah. Okay, awak buat semua number. Okay. Boleh tak? Boleh buat semua number. Okay. Boleh sambung sendiri tak? Adakah awak nak saya buat sama-sama ataupun you can do it for yourself? Boleh tak? Okay, this is for 5 Okay, kalau 4 tadi, 4. We start from 4. Okay, look at, we can do, use another color. We use another color. Okay, for 4. Okay, how many 4? There is 47. 44. Ada lagi tak 4 sini? Okay, there is 46. This one, 4. Start with 4. Okay, 41. Okay, 45. 49. So, kita arrange ikut yang mana lebih kecil. The smallest one to the biggest one. So, which one the smallest one? Should be 41. So, 1 here. Then, 41, then 44. 4 here. Okay, then 45. 45 here. Okay, potong 5 sini. Okay, then 46. Okay, potong 6 sini. Then 47. 7 here. Then 49. Okay. So, 4 semua dah habis dah. Can you understand? Can you understand? Can you do for yourself? Boleh buat sendiri tak? Okay. And then we look at for 6. Look at 6. How many 6 here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 6 also. 6. Okay, this one also 6. Then 6. Okay, 6. This one also 6. Okay, one more 6. Okay, so look at the blue one. 6. Start with 0. How many? 1. 0 here. Okay, then 66. 61. Yeah, 61. Then 62. There is 2. 62. 2. Okay, then 60, what is it? 60, what? 68. 63 here. There is 2, 63. Okay, write down 3. Then 64. How many? 1. 64. Then 68. There is 2, 68. 67. 67, 66 first. How many 6? 66. Okay, there is 1. 66. And then 67. 1 also. And then just now 68. There is 2. 68. And 69. 1, 69. Okay. Can you do it for yourself? Can you continue this? Then look at here. 7. Start from 7. Okay. Start from 7. Okay. Let's say use another color.
70.
Okay. Okay. 70. Then 76. Then there is 2. 70. Then 73. 72. 76. Okay. Okay. Now, so
73.
where is it?
73.
73. Where is it?
Uh,
Oh, this one. Okay. Yes. Already have here? Okay. So 7, we start from the smallest one. 7, 0. Yeah, this one 7, 0. Then 7, 0, 7, 0. There is 3, 0. Okay. Then 7, 72. 1. Then 73. 1. And the other one, 75. 1. Okay, 75. 1. Okay, then 76. 2. Okay, 76, sorry. 76. So we write down 6 here. 6, there is 2, twice. Okay? Can you understand? This is for group A
Can
first,
teacher can.
Okay. Then for 8, we start from 8. Which one? Which number? Start from 8. Okay, start from 8.
81.
Okay, 80.
1.
Okay, 81. Okay, different color. Okay. 81. 81, 86, 84,
84.
82, 82. Okay. So we start from 8. There is 81. How many 81?
1
1,
teacher.
1, 82. How many 82? 2. 82. Okay. So twice. Okay. 82. So how many 84? 1. 4. Okay. And how many 86? 1. Okay. So we complete. We finish our group A. Finish our group A. Oh, there is the other one. 60. We missed the 60 here. 60 should be how many 6? 6. 1, 2, 3. 60 should be okay. This is 0. So you put 0 here. There is 1, 2, 3. 3, 0. Bila kita buat macam ni, kita nampak ada yang tertinggal. So you can put inside the table. Okay. Can you do it for yourself? Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Okay, boleh. Then you buat B pula. So we start with 4. The first value is 4. So we start with 4. Where is 4? There is 40,
40. 41.
46,
42.
40. Okay, then 49.
48.
Which one? No more.
76. 40 bawah.
Okay, 40. So we start with 0 first. How many 40? There is 2 40. So 1, 2. So we write down 2 times for 0. Then 41. How many 41? 1.
1.
So done 1 times. Then 42?
Got 2.
1. 1 or 2?
Got 2.
2. Which one? Which the other one? 42. There is 1.
83.
83. Oh yes, the other one. Okay, 42. There is 2 times. Okay, then after 1, 2, 3, 3 tak ada, and then 40, 46. How many 6? 1. Okay, 46, and the last one is 48. 48, and the last one is 49. Okay, can you complete it for me? This is your homework. This is for practice 8.1, number 1. Okay, number 1. So you complete this one. Okay, complete. Complete it. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do it for me?
Bye-bye, teacher.
Okay, very good. And then you try to do. Okay, dot plot. Then you do the dot plot. Do the dot plot. Okay, look at the example for dot plot using 2 months. Okay, dot plot you have to do twice lah. Okay, dot plot. Can you remember how to use plot the dot plot? Okay, this is also your homework. Okay, so your homework should be on practice 8.1b, number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay, can you? Okay. Can you?
Can teacher.
Can you do this homework? Okay, you can do right now. Okay, you can do right now. I wait for you to do this until you finish. Lah. So, how many number now? How many homework now? There is one homework, isn't it? And the other one is number 3. Number 3 also. Number 1, number 2. So this is your homework. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Complete, completekan your homework. Okay, do it now. Do it now. I'll wait for you. Do your homework now. Okay. Okay, you can complete this. For 5, you can complete this. Complete this. Look at for this table. Okay, complete your homework now. Do you have any problem? Okay, this is example for dot plot, 2 dot plot like this. Okay. This is example for 2 dot plot, okay? Okay, this is an example for 2 dot plot. So you have to do like this. For number 2, for number 2. So you have to do like this. One is for April. One is for April monthly test, and one is for May test lah. So you do like this. The dot plot, there is a dot plot. So how many marks it should be? 25 people. 25 people. So okay, what is the minimum? What is the minimum mark? The minimum mark is, okay, look at number 2. The minimum mark, where is it? It should be 35, isn't it? It should be 35. And what is the maximum? Maximum mark, it should be 69. So make sure 35 to 39, 69 is inside your dot plot. So 35, 30, okay, 35, then you have to do the scale lah. The scale for, okay, this is 35, and then 40, let's say this is 45, and then this is 50, this is 55, 60. So 35, okay, like this lah. This is mark for April. Okay, mark for April. Let's say 35. How many get 35 marks? Okay, this is 30. Okay, where is 30? So 1. So 35 marks, 1. 1% only. So you can plot here like this. And then 65. 65, how many? 65. Okay, 65. Is it the other 65? 1. This is 61. This is 61, this is 62, 60, 60, then ada lagi tak? 60 tak ada kan? So 60 you start with 60. 60 first, 60 is 1. 60 is 1. And then 62. 62 is 1. So 35 to 40 there is a 5 here. 5 there is 2.5. So let's say 60, 62. So should be like this. 62 here. So 1 also. 1 also. Okay. So you have to using the same scale. Kena gunakan scale yang sama. 61. So 60 kat sini. So 61 should be here. So 61. 61 should be here. Okay, this is 62. Sorry, this is 62. When you using your graph paper, it's more accurate lah. Okay, this is 61. Okay, this is 62. Okay, ini salah. Boleh tak? So 61 here, 62 here. Okay, so this one ada. Then ada lagi berapa? 5, okay, and 69. Okay, 69. This one should be 70, 75. Sorry, 65. And this is 70. Okay, so 69 should be right here. So we tambah lagi 2, letak ke sini. Di sini. Over here. Okay. Can you understand or not? Okay, try to do all. Number 2 and number 3. Number 2 and number 3. Okay, have you finished? Okay, you can do this. Okay, this is marked for April. Then you do the same way to draw the mark for April and May. So monthly test for May. So you have to do the same way. This is monthly test for marks for May. Okay, this is mark. Okay. Marks May. Okay. Okay, this is the first data. 35. Okay, 40, 45, and 50, 55, 60. Okay, 65, 70. Okay. Nanti dia this is mark for May. Okay, can you continue? Okay, please continue in your notebook. Okay. What book you using now? Book 1 or book 2? Which book you use now? Book 1 or book 2? Kiran? Which book? Book 1 or book 2?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
You want to sing, Leong? You want to sing, So happy. Why?
Tired.
Very tired. Tired,
Yeah.
I also tired. Before this, I also have a class, Form 3 class. And right now with you. And after this, we have a meeting
We
on the teacher.
We sit down.
Untunglah, lucky lah. We sit down. We're not in front of the class. Go everywhere.
Sleep.
Okay, after this you sleep lah. After this, you can sleep after you finish your work here. Okay, you can do the exercise now until our class is finished until 12:30. Okay. After this, teacher have a meeting.
Oh,
The PKP is so long time, PKP. So we have to learn PDPR like this, huh? Can you understand?
understand.
Understand lah. If teacher in the classroom also teacher teaching like this. Okay. So where is the others? There is only 7. There is only 7 attendance today. 7 only. So where is the others? Other class also same.
Siapa?
Siapa yang hadir? Kelas lain sama juga. Okay, you can complete your homework now. So if you complete now, so you don't need to do after this.
Okay, here we go. God lane, get them. Yet again them. God. Regular attack, Y. Strong attack, X. Use an X after the series of regular Y attacks. Oh, that's cool. Get back here. Get on the front of this. You get them. That's so weird. I love it. Get them. Get them all. How do you KO? I feel like I'm range. Okay, prevent air injury. Right, let's get it. Problems right now. You'll get me. Get off that. Oh no. Big slice. Speed attack. So many KOs. There we go. That's the objective. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yes. Okay. And he do flurry rush stuff. That's what I like. 3-point snatch. No! Oh, yeah. That's going to be ugly. Yeah. Maybe it's a young person who just hit up. Okay. Oh, I must have been trouble. Those are the last match of the line. He can't flurry rush. We snatch forward. Who are they? More objectives. Yeah.
So how many of you here? Where is attendant? Where is your attendant?
Alright. Oh no! It's safer! It's safer! Alright.